Hello everyone, welcome to my 20th tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Vak. In previous tutorial, we'll see the discussing about the various projects of hands-on projects of materials adding, then effects of weather, then landscape we are adding. In this tutorial, we will see the rendering of this Lumion software. Then first of all, we click on a photo mode. Then you can change it the eye level of 1.6 meter. Then horizontal eye level set by your requirement. Then you can increase the focal length of up to 28 to 32 mm. Then here is restore camera. Here is the restoring image you can adding, or you can choose this one of the new restore your image. So I just click here to restore my this view. Then you can have change your styles, custom style, realistic, interior, drawn, daytime. I just click on daytime option. Here is my scene is shown. Then next I click on this restore button. Then click on add effect. You can adding weather effect to fog, precipitation, etc. Then sky, real skies and clouds. So I just click on skies and clouds. Then features you have also adding. Animation you adding as your requirement. Here is multiple artist options here. Blueprint, bleach, manga, selective saturation, cartoons, oil painting, etc. Here is advanced option, global illumination here. I just click on it. Then I press the render button to render this. I save this file in desktop, giving it name. Then save. Here is our final render output. Here. Then press OK. I adding another one. To change my viewpoint. Changing its effect. animate light colors, select your light color here. I can select all this color, then OK, then render a photo. Then save. Then OK. Then I go back the build mode. I removing these slides here to clicking on a light. Remove this light. Then select. I can creating a movie. To create a movie, click on movie option. Then select a preview. Record this. Setting your focal length of camera. Click on play button to play this clip. To restore, add camera keyframes. Then I can add another frame to move with my rendering. Then add keyframes here. Click on another one. Here it is. Then play option to play your movie. Your movie is set up for 9.20 seconds. Then press OK. You can adding here some custom styles. Realistic interior drawn overcast. I just click custom style, changing its effect as your requirement. Sky. Then you can also have adding your previously moving these clips. Here is the render the clip in HD quality, giving it as a name. Then save. Rendering takes 8 minutes to render this movie. Here is our movie almost rendered. Render is completed. Open the rendering file and see this final rendering movie. Here is our movie. So in this all tutorials I cover all the topics. Hope you all refer this tutorial and upgrade your Lumion software. We meet again a new tutorial series like this one. So see you again. Thank you.